Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Bartag Express to generate a GS1 data matrix barcode using data from two joined different tables. Let's get started. First, go ahead and launch Bartag Express. You'll notice the user interface is super intuitive and easy to get the hang of. Let's begin by changing the label sheet layout. Click the Sheet button from the side menu. Then look over to the Property window on the right. From there, choose a predefined label layout. We're going to pick the 3M shipping label. This layout has 2 columns and 2 rows, so 4 labels total per sheet. Next, click the Barcode button on the side menu. Then just click anywhere on the label to place your barcode. Boom! A barcode placeholder shows up on your label. Want to remove it? Just click to select it, then hit the Delete button from the top menu, and it's gone. Alright, now let's bring in some data from a SQLite database to generate actual barcodes. Click the Database button from the side menu. A dialog will pop up asking you to select your database type. Choose SQLite, then click Next. You'll see 2 tables listed, AdditionalInfo and ProductInfo. Let's take a quick look at the database structure using SQLite Studio. First, let's view the AdditionalInfo table. Type in, select asterisk from AdditionalInfo, then click Execute. You'll see columns like ID, serial number, BestBeforeDate, and original country. The ID starts from 100. Now let's view the ProductInfo table. Type in, select asterisk from ProductInfo, click Execute again. Here we got ID, GTIN, batch, and expiry date, and this ID starts from 1. Now go back to Bartag Express and enter your SQL join command in the SQL command window. I will post the join command in the comments section. Click the green Execute button. You'll now see all the join fields listed. Uncheck the ID field, we don't need that. Click Finish. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see all your fields: GTIN, batch, expiry date, serial number, BestBeforeDate, and original country. Click on GTIN, then click where you want it to appear on your label. It'll show up as regular text. Switch back to Sheet View. You'll see that GTIN values have been filled in on all the labels. Now click the text you just placed, then click Change to Barcode. All of them instantly turn into barcodes. Since we want to use GS1 data matrix, go to the symbol combo box and select Data Matrix. And don't forget to check the GS1 checkbox. Let's build the barcode formula with the correct application identifiers. Parenthesis 0, 1, parenthesis 4 GTIN. Parenthesis 1, 0, parenthesis, click Batch. 17 for expiry date. 21 for serial number. For 22 for original country. Just make sure you wrap each AI in parentheses. Now you've got GS1 data matrix barcode that includes data from both tables. Press Page down to view next sheet page. When you're done, right-click the label and choose Save as Image to export it. This is the barcode image we just exported. Scan the barcode and here's what you'll get: GTIN, batch, expiry date, serial number, country of origin. And that's it! You just generated a GS1 datamatrix barcode from joined database tables using Bartag Express. Thanks for watching, and happy labeling!